Hi, I'm Valerie with Calgary Health Foundation, and as a charity that works with our partners in Alberta Health Services and our addictions and mental health team, your support of Run for Women and the Calgary Health Foundation ensures that we can invest in programs and equip our frontline teams to provide the best care possible. Here is an example of how you are making a difference.
Trauma-informed care is really a philosophy and framework of care as it relates to trauma. And so we look at how trauma affects physical health, psychological health, emotional health, and really relationships, and how that impacts the overall functioning of someone experiencing trauma. The first pillar is really realizing trauma. So realizing the impact and the prevalence rates of trauma within our population. The second is really recognizing the symptoms of trauma and the varied symptoms that someone may present with when they've experienced trauma. The third one is responding. So really being able to respond from a trauma-informed lens with trauma-appropriate interventions. So they might be specifically focused on trauma interventions or just generally using the framework of trauma-informed care. And lastly is really working towards not re-traumatizing. So looking at policies and procedures and practices that are promoting resilience and really looking to not re-traumatize someone. So when people experience trauma, they often experience losing voice and choice and control. Knowing that the prevalence rates are between like a half to 1/3 of Canadians will have experienced some type of trauma before the age of 18. The approach to providing a trauma-informed lens on the work that we do is very important. Patients have reported feeling more safe, that they feel like they're heard and that they have choice, that they feel more empowered. And it's really a strength-based intervention. We're looking more and more at acknowledging that both the obstacles that keep people away from accessing services, but also the strengths to just show up. I think that's a really important piece of what trauma-informed care provides. It provides a safe place to come to. And I think that's a really, really important piece. One of the things that is really important to recognize is that trauma affects us all. And so we are so appreciative of all of the support that Shoppers provides for taking on such a prevalent issue that affects everyone in our society. And so it's with great gratitude that we thank the Shoppers Drug Mart Foundation in the ways in which they're supporting us to provide really comprehensive trauma-informed training for all of our staff, which will impact and make such a difference in the lives of all the kids, families, adults, and seniors that we will see.
So a huge thank you to Shoppers Drug Mart and everyone that participates in the Run for Women. As you can see, the money you raise is so impactful for the care that we're able to deliver. And if by showing up for the run, moving your body and your mind, you're part of a community that's changing the narrative. Thank you for your support.